This tool is made to be able to attach face frames to cabinet boxes easily. As we have here on this cabinet right here, this is an unfinished cabinet and an unfinished finished end. With this tool, with these different discs that I make and give with the tool, you can line this up perfectly flat. You can line this up, shoot it, and it's done. You'll have no marks of any kind on your face frame. This will take the place of all face nailing of the face frame to the cabinet box, and it also will eliminate the need to use pocket screws from the underside to attach the face frame to the box. Let me show you how it works. You take this disc, this machine to fit on the plunger. You put on, this is for a flat finish. You set the tool on, bring it over. You push this to it, make sure it's lined up. Shoot it, shoot it. That's finished. Come over to here and you can shoot it from the outside of the box. Okay, that's all your finished parts. Remove the cap. You're shooting from the outside of the box. Then you shoot your middle. Your cabinet, its box, and face frame are now completely attached. They will not come loose. They're set, ready for final sanding, puttying if you want on your edge, ready to go in the spray booth. The Blindstapler was designed to leave no marks in the face of the cabinet, meaning there's no more putty, Bondo, sanding multiple times to get a good looking finish. And as you know, if you build hardwood cabinets with clear coat, you always will see whatever putty marks are in them, no matter what. Of course, no one needs to tell you what a huge savings in time and labor this tool will bring. Smaller shops are reporting to me that not having to putty and sand the face frames, their labor savings are amounting to $22,000 to $24,000 per year. If you pre-finish the cabinetry, the savings in masking, cardboarding, taking large cabinets to the spray booth instead of just the parts that need to be finished, the savings in time and labor will be much more significant. And always, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not 100% satisfied. Thanks a lot.